Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your XRP from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies, you know XRP is a fast and efficient digital asset, perfect for payments and investments. Maybe you're looking to move your holdings to Uphold for better features like staking or easier trading. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through this step by step so you can do it smoothly and confidently. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need an active account on both Robinhood and Uphold, with some XRP already in your Robinhood wallet. Also, double-check that Uphold supports XRP withdrawals and deposits in 2025. Platforms can update their policies, so it's always good to verify on their sites. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your portfolio and find your XRP holdings. Once you're there, look for the withdraw or transfer option. It's usually under the cryptocurrency section. Step 2. Select XRP from your assets and choose to withdraw it. Robinhood will ask you for the destination wallet address. This is where Uphold comes in. Log into your Uphold account, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Step 3. Paste that Uphold wallet address into Robinhood's withdrawal form. You'll also need to specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Don't forget to account for any network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review everything carefully, then hit confirm. After that, Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, hop back to Uphold and check your wallet to confirm the XRP has arrived. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets secure. And if you run into any issues, like delayed transfers, reach out to customer support right away. By 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated. There you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Robinhood to Uphold. It's a straightforward process that puts you in control of your crypto. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.